First we made the wheel. Then they made the car. Then they made the bomb. Now, it's all gone wrong. We used to be a content. With a piece of charcoal. Sketching on walls. In a gloomy dark hole. Then we put our strengths. Into building castles. Ignoring what we're doing. To this earthly vessel. From trees we made doors, boats. To explore the shores. Cause we were madly obsessed. With the great outdoors. In a pile of bones. The truth becomes clear. We pioneered schemes. Just too severe. Way back then. There were few concerns. Find meat to eat. Chop wood to burn. We then learned to avoid. The saber-toothed tiger. Now our biggest enemies. Laser guided. We're hunting our own peers. As we became distracted. Troubled by the way our neighbors acted. We jumped to conclusions. That had us confused. We explored every possibility. But yet we feel abused. Too much weight now. Dropped on our shoulders. The land that we knew. Stood firm to hold us. Colonization is what they told us. So someone decided. We needed soldiers. Invent the engines. Replace the horses. With stretched resources. To drive Porsches. They have created. The generation that we know. Washed up with hatred. This system moves too slow. They gave us answers to questions they don't even know. Used up and jaded. We're thinking way too slow. So we need creating answers. On our own. We can't relate to what we think we know. We're all cavemen in suit and tie. Then why we're opposing are confirms to die. I know I've put it here. Not simple and quite condensed. The discovery of wheel was the brainstorm of the commonest sense. But now we need a branch just for terror defense. So somewhere it went wrong. Hence, first we made the wheel. Then they made the car. Then they made the bomb. Now, it's all gone wrong.